Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Treeland is adding consumer spending, investment, government spending, and net exports to find a specific economic measure. Let's solve this and get the answer. First, we need to recognize these four specific categories. Consumer spending, investment, government purchases, and net exports are the standard components used to measure the total value of all final goods. Next, we apply the expenditure approach formula. When you sum these four parts together, you are calculating the total market value of everything produced within a country during a specific period. This calculation directly defines gross domestic product. Therefore, option E is the correct choice for Treeland's government. You just mastered this fundamental macroeconomics concept. Boom!
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid a rush by watching signs. Always trust the given data and check steps.